Hey everyone, it's Car here. Today I'm doing a taste test review of Giant Eagle pretzel rods. There's the nutritional facts right there. Alright, see it? Alright, let's try one of these pretzel rods out. Pretty good stuff. Giant Eagle usually does good job with their pretzel making products. Pretzel products, I mean. I still prefer the Snyder's, but yeah, definitely I'm gonna give these a 9 out of 10. But yeah, Snyder's is hard to beat as far as pretzels is concerned, but yeah, still a good pretzel. Very tasty, and I recommend you get one of these if you're in the area by Giant Eagle. So yeah, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye now.